Ladies and gentlemen, today we're diving into one of the most unexpected but groundbreaking tech launches of the year. In the world of smartwatches, you hear the same two names over and over again: Apple and Samsung. The Apple Watch Ultra series dominates headlines, and Samsung's Galaxy Watch lineup continues to evolve year after year. But in 2025, while everyone's eyes were locked onto those giants, Garmin quietly built something so ambitious, so disruptive, that it didn't just compete, it redefined the playing field entirely. This isn't just another fitness watch for marathon runners. This is a lifestyle device, a health companion, a performance beast, and, dare I say, a direct shot at the smartwatch throne. I'm talking about the Garmin Venu 4, a smartwatch that blends luxury design with hardcore athletic DNA and then sprinkles in features that Apple and Samsung should be very nervous about. Over the next deep dive, we're going to dissect every single angle of this watch. From the bold new hardware design to the groundbreaking health features, from the insane battery life to the software that feels more personal than ever. And of course, we'll compare it against its fiercest rivals, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 and the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, to see if Garmin has really built a smartwatch that can take on the titans. Stick with me, because by the end of this, you may just be asking yourself, is the Garmin Venu 4 the smartwatch I didn't even realize I was waiting for? A new era for Garmin. Let's set the stage. For years, Garmin has had this reputation, the go-to brand for runners, hikers, cyclists, and adventure athletes. If you needed advanced GPS, insane battery life, or rugged durability, you probably looked at something like the Garmin Fenix or Forerunner series. On the other hand, if you wanted a sleek, everyday smartwatch, you leaned toward Apple or Samsung. The Venu series was Garmin's attempt to bridge that gap, a smartwatch that looked stylish enough for the office, but still packed Garmin's elite-level tracking under the hood. The Venu 3 made progress, but it always felt like a fitness-first watch with a nice display. The Garmin Venu 4 changes the equation completely. This time, Garmin didn't just build a fitness watch that can double as a smartwatch. They built a true competitor to the Apple Watch and Galaxy Watch, but with a philosophy that feels refreshingly different. The design. Luxury meets performance. The first thing you'll notice about the Garmin Venu 4 is the design. Garmin has finally embraced a premium aesthetic that screams modern luxury. Available in both 41mm and 45mm sizes, the Venu 4 features a stunning AMOLED display that's bright, sharp, and visible even in direct sunlight. If you've used Garmin watches before, you know visibility outdoors has always been a strength. But with the Venu 4, you're not sacrificing style for readability. You're getting both. The build quality is where Garmin has clearly taken notes from Apple and Samsung. The watch now sports metal bezels, premium finishes, and customizable straps that make it equally comfortable in a boardroom meeting or on a mountain trail. It's thin, it's elegant, and yet it feels durable enough to handle real-world abuse. In short, Garmin has finally nailed the wear-it-anywhere design philosophy. Surprise upgrade, the built-in flashlight now. Let's talk about one of the most unexpected features, the built-in LED flashlight. I know what you're thinking, a flashlight on a smartwatch, but here's the thing. It's brilliant. Think about the number of times you've fumbled for your phone in the dark, tried to find your keys at night, or gone for an evening run. Instead of awkwardly balancing a phone in your hand, the Garmin Venu 4 lets you light your path directly from your wrist. It's practical, it's convenient, and it's something neither Apple nor Samsung thought to add. And that's what sets Garmin apart. They focus on real-world utility over flashy gimmicks. The fitness DNA, multi-band GPS. That's next level now. We need to talk about what Garmin is truly famous for, GPS accuracy. If you've ever used a smartwatch in a dense city with skyscrapers or gone hiking under a thick forest canopy, you know how unreliable GPS can get. Signals bounce, routes look messy, and accuracy plummets. The Garmin Venu 4 changes that with multi-band GPS. This isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's a leap forward. The Venu 4 can communicate with multiple satellite frequencies at once, cutting through interference and delivering pinpoint accuracy. What does this mean for you? Whether you're running through New York's urban jungle, hiking in the Rockies, or cycling under tree cover, the Venu 4 locks onto your location with precision that rivals professional-grade navigation devices. For fitness enthusiasts, this is a game changer. For casual users, it means peace of mind that your watch is tracking exactly what you're doing. where you're doing it. Health tracking. Garmin enters the ECG arena. Perhaps the boldest move Garmin has made with the Venu 4 is stepping into Apple's territory with ECG, electrocardiogram monitoring. For years, one of Apple's strongest selling points has been its ability to detect signs of atrial fibrillation using an on-wrist ECG. Garmin has now brought that same life-saving technology to the Venu 4. This transforms the Venu 4 from just a fitness device into a serious wellness companion. You're not just tracking steps and heart rate anymore, you're monitoring your heart's electrical activity, checking for irregularities and getting proactive alerts about your health. Combined with 24/7 heart rate tracking, blood oxygen monitoring, stress tracking, sleep analysis, and advanced recovery metrics, the Venu 4 is positioning itself as not just a watch, but a true health guardian. Battery life, the ultimate flex now. Let's address the single biggest weakness of Apple and Samsung smartwatches: battery life. Apple Watch users celebrate if they get 36 hours in low-power mode. Samsung Galaxy Watch owners are charging their devices every 2 days. But the Garmin Venu 4, up to 12 days of battery life in smartwatch mode. Let that sink in. 12 days. That means you can go on a week-long vacation and never even think about bringing your charger. You can track your sleep, your workouts, your heart rate, and receive notifications, all without suffering from battery anxiety. This isn't just a feature. It's a fundamental difference in philosophy. While Apple and Samsung tether their watches to a charger, Garmin wants the Venu 4 to live on your wrist 24/7, seamlessly collecting data and enhancing your life. Smarter software, health status, and lifestyle. Logging Garmin has always been strong with data, but data without context can be overwhelming. The Venu 4 changes that by introducing health status, a new metric that doesn't just show you numbers. It learns your personal baseline over time. Instead of saying your heart rate is 85, the Venu 4 says, your heart rate is higher than usual compared to your baseline, which could mean stress, illness, or overtraining. That's actionable insight. There's also lifestyle logging, which lets you correlate daily habits like caffeine intake, alcohol consumption, or sleep quality with your health data. Imagine being able to see exactly how that late-night coffee or glass of wine impacts your recovery and performance. That's the kind of personal awareness no Apple or Samsung watch currently offers in this depth. Sleep tracking. Reinvented sleep tracking is another area where Garmin is stepping up. With the Venu 4, you don't just get a breakdown of your REM, deep, and light sleep. You also get sleep alignment and sleep consistency scores, giving you feedback not just on how long you slept, but how well your sleep matches your body's natural circadian rhythm. This is the kind of detail that can transform your health. Actionable insights, not just pretty graphs. Garmin Fitness Coach, your personal trainer on the wrist. Perhaps the most exciting software feature is the Garmin Fitness Coach. And no, this isn't just a list of preloaded workouts. This is a fully adaptive AI-driven training system. The price and value proposition. Now, let's talk money. The Garmin Venu 4 does come with about a $100 increase over the Venu 3. But here's the thing. When you look at what you're getting, multi-band GPS, ECG, adaptive coaching, insane battery life, premium design, lifestyle logging, and more. It feels like an absolute bargain compared to the Apple Watch Ultra 3, which can cost hundreds more. For anyone who values performance, health insights, and long-lasting battery, the Garmin Venu 4 is worth every penny. Apple versus Samsung versus Garmin, the showdown. So how does it compare? Apple Watch Ultra 3, best app ecosystem, seamless integration with iPhones, and gorgeous design. But the battery life is weak, and the health insights feel more surface level compared to Garmin Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. Great value, excellent Android integration, decent design. But again, battery life struggles, and the focus is more on smartwatch features than hardcore fitness. Garmin Venu 4 doesn't have the same app ecosystem, but it doesn't try to. Instead, it leans into what Garmin does best: accuracy, endurance, health depth, and real-world practicality. If you want a true lifestyle health companion with the durability to last weeks instead of days, Garmin takes the crown. So here's the real question. Is the Garmin Venu 4 the best smartwatch of 2025? I'll let you decide, but I think Apple and Samsung should be more than a little worried.